Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about some important question for BSc Nursing Paramedical CUET NEET and other entrance exam from the chapter Microbes in Human Welfare. This is 10th part of our series. Let's start the question. Question number 1. Which of the following is put into an anaerobic sludge digester for further sewage treatment? Option A, floating debris. Option B, effluent of primary treatment. Option C, activated sludge. Option D, primary sludge. The correct answer is option C, activated sludge. Question number 2. Secondary metabolites such as nicotine, serotonin, and caffeine are produced by plants for their A. Growth response. B. Defense action. C. Effect on reproduction. D. Nutritive value. The correct answer is option B. Defense action. Question number 3. For the commercial and industrial production of citric acid, which of the following microbes is used? First, Lactobacillus sp. Second, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Third, Clostridium botulinum. Fourth, Aspergillus niger. The correct answer is fourth, D. Aspergillus niger. Question number 4. Cyclosporin A, used as immunosuppressive agent, is produced from A. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Second, Penicillium notatum. Third, Trichoderma polysporum. Fourth, Monascus purpureus. The correct answer is option C. Trichoderma polysporum. Question number 5. Which of the following can be used as a biocontrol agent in a treatment of plant disease? A. Trichoderma. B. Chlora. C. Anabaena. C. D. Lactobacillus. The correct answer is option A. Trichoderma, used as a biocontrol agent. Question 6. Which of the following is a commercial blood cholesterol lowering agent? Option A. Cyclosporin A. Option B. Statin. Option C. Streptokinase. Option D. Lipase. The correct answer is option B. Statin, used as a blood cholesterol lowering agent. Question number 7. Select the correct group of biocontrol agent. Option A. Bacillus thuringiensis tobacco mosaic virus aphids. Option B. Trichoderma bucalovirus Bacillus thuringiensis. Option C. Oscillatoria rhizobium trichoderma. Option D. Nostoc azoospermum nucleopolyhedrovirus. The correct answer is option B. Trichoderma bucalovirus Bacillus thuringiensis. Question number 8. Conversion of milk to curd improve its nutritional value by increasing the amount of option A. Vitamin D. Option B. Vitamin A. Option C. Vitamin B12. Option D. Vitamin E. The correct answer is option C. Vitamin B12. Question number 9. Which of the following in sewage treatment removes suspended solids? Option A. Tertiary treatment. B. Secondary treatment. C. Primary treatment. D. Slush treatment. The correct answer is option C. Primary treatment, used as sewage treatment, removes suspended solids. Question number 10. A genetically engineered bacterium first used for cleaning the oil spills was a species of option A. Rhizobium. C. Escherichia. Option C. Pseudomonas. Option D. Bacillus. The correct answer is option C. Pseudomonas. Question number 12. During sewage treatment, biogas are produced which include option A. Hydrogen sulfide, nitrogen, methane. B. Methane, hydrogen sulfide, carbon dioxide. Option C. Methane, oxygen, hydrogen sulfide. Option D. Hydrogen sulfide, methane, sulfur dioxide. The correct answer is option B. Methane, hydrogen sulfide, and carbon dioxide. Question number 13. In gobar gas, the maximum amount is that of option A. Butane. B. Methane. C. Propane. D. Carbon dioxide. The correct answer is option B. Methane. Question number 14. Monascus purpureus is a yeast used as commercially in production of option A blood cholesterol lowering agent, option B ethanol, option C streptokinase for removing clots from blood vessels, option D citric acid. The correct answer is option A blood cholesterol lowering statins. Question number 15. Which of the following microbes form the symbiotic association with plants and help them in their nutrition? Option A Trichoderma, option B Azotobacter, option C Aspergillus, option D Glomus. The correct answer is option D Glomus. Question number 16. A nitrogen fixing microbes associated with azolla in rice field is option A Tolipothrix, option B Spirulina, option C Avena, option D Frankia. The correct answer is option C Avena. Question number 17. Yeast is used in production of option A cheese and butter, option C citric acid and lactic acid, option C lipase and pectinases, option D bread and beer. The correct answer is option D bread and beer used yeast for production. Question number 18. A patient brought to hospital with myocardial infarction is normally immediately given option A statins, B penicillin, option C streptokinase, option D cyclosporin A. The correct answer is option C streptokinase. Question number 19. Which of the following is mainly produced by the activity of anaerobic bacteria on sewage? Option A marsh gas, option B laughing gas, option C propane, option D mustard gas. The correct answer is option A marsh gas. Question number 20. Which of the following help in absorption of phosphorus from soil by plants? Option A Avena, option B Glomus, option C Rhizobium, option D Frankia. The correct answer is option B Glomus. Question number 21. Roquefort cheese is produced with the help of option A yeast, option B Rhizopus nigricans, option C Aspergillus niger, option D penicillium. The correct answer is option D penicillium. Question number 22. Which gas is responsible for the puffed up appearance in dough? Option A CO2, option B O2, option C SO2, option D NO2. The correct answer is option A CO2 carbon dioxide. Question number 23. Which bacteria help in production of Swiss cheese? Option A Propionibacterium ceremony, option B Trichoderma polysporum, option C Saccharomyces cerevisiae, option D Aspergillus niger. The correct answer is option A Propionibacterium ceremony. Question number 24. Which of the following bacteria convert milk into curd? Option A Propionibacterium, option B Lactobacillus, option C Streptokinase, option D Bacillus. The correct answer is option B Lactobacillus, used to convert milk into curd. Question number 25. The dough which used for making idli and dosa is fermented by option A Saccharomyces cerevisiae, option B Streptococcus faecalis, option C Lactobacillus, option D Propionibacterium ceremony. The correct answer is option B Streptococcus faecalis. Question number 26. The oldest food item in which microbes were used is option A curd, option B cheese, option C bread, option D milk. The correct answer is option number B cheese. Question number 27. Vinegar is prepared from alcohol with the help of option A lactobacillus, option B Acetobacter, option C Azotobacter, option D Rhizobium. The correct answer is option B Azotobacter. Question number 28. Yeast Saccharomyces cerevisiae is used in the industrial production of option A butanol, B citric acid, C tetracycline, option D ethanol. The correct answer is option D ethanol. Question number 29. Penicillin was the first antibiotic which was a chance discovery. Alexander Fleming at the time was working on option A streptococci bacteria, option B penicillium pneumoniae, option C penicillium notatum, Option D, Staphylococcus bacteria. The correct answer is option number D, Staphylococcus bacteria. Question number 30. Which is help in removing oil stains from laundry? The correct answer is option number A, lipase is used to remove clots. Question number 31. A peculiar odor that occurs in marshy areas and cow shit used to gas produced by option A, cyanobacteria, option B, archaebacteria, option C, mycoplasma, option D, slime moths. The correct answer is option B, archaebacteria. Question number 32. Which of the following alcoholic drink is used to produce without distillation? Option A, wine, B, whiskey, option C, rum, option D, brandy. The correct answer is option A, wine is used without distillation. Question number 33. Toddy is obtained from which part of palm tree? Option A, blossom, B, sap, C, roots, D, leaves. The correct answer is option B, sap. Question number 34. Which of the following is not a nitrogen fixing organism? Option B, Anabaena, option B, Nostoc, option C, Azotobacter, option D, Pseudomonas. The correct answer is option D, Pseudomonas. Question number 35. Full form of BOD is option A, biological oxygen deficit, option B, biological organic demand, option C, biological oxygen deficit, option D, biological oxygen demand. The correct answer is option D, biological oxygen demand. Thank you and please subscribe my channel for further videos.